shit, my mic was off all this while. Anyway, guys, welcome back to our channel. Uh, Today is 19th of December 2024. So I came online like 15 minutes ago, but I think my mic was off, so I couldn't. I mean, I just saw that, so maybe if everyone must have missed the live. Anyway, so let's move forward because I think it's too late to start start everything again. But I'm gonna give a quick recap to all the viewers. Oh, this is still private, bro. Seriously. Sorry, guys. The channel was private until now. I don't know why I didn't check the settings, and also my mic was off. So here we are. Welcome back to European Bulls. Today is 19th of December. As you can see that yesterday there was the Fed rate decision, and in which the Fed decided to cut 0.25 in the rate. So what happened is all the major indices like US30, Nasdaq, ES, Russell, all of them fell like horses. You can see the price fell around $1,400. So now that we have seen a big fall, and today that all the newses have already gone by, like, yeah, the unemployment claims have already come out at 2:30 p.m. UTC plus one time. So now that we can see that the price has rejected from the daily level, but we can see the price also has an imbalance left to be filled around this area in 4 hours. But for the short term, I think the price is okay for to look for a buy around this corner. But we will be very cautious. As you can see the price here, there is the support for like 15 minutes here, and there is one imbalance left in 15 minutes here as well. So we will see for any price for the price to come around this zone, so that we could have some price action to be filled, and we can look for some price action, and we can find our entries. Sorry, FVG to be filled, like the fair value gap, the imbalances to be filled. So when the price comes around this area, we will look for some price action, and if it allows us to take a buy, we will go for a buy. Given the fact that there is one more imbalance left here, and in the 5 minutes in this corner, we will be very cautious, because if the price might want to go and take the liquidity from here, so we will wait and see how it goes. In Russell, let me break down it for you. I'm going to delete all the trades from yesterday and all the markups. Remove all drawings. All right. So in Russell, it's the same thing. After the rate decision, the price fell like $1,000 here as well. You can see the price broke this level and the price fell. So the reason of falling was the Federal Reserve, which we call Fed, decided to cut the rate with 0.25. This is the third rate cut this year, and I think the Fed has planned to deliver two more rate cuts in the following year, in the first quarter, maybe in January or February. We'll see. So this ignites the economic growth, and that's why most of the investors, I think, they decided to sell the market. Like all the stocks and indices, they all fell yesterday for 1 hour. It kept on falling, you can see. So with RT, I will make a quick markup. This is the imbalance zone in the 4 hours. This is the imbalance zone in the 4 hours, and this is going to be our primary resistance. If we get a buy, we will look for the target until this area, short-lived, and if we find any break above, we will decide we will continue to scale the trade higher. But anyway, right now the price has found some support and trying to
regain access to the buyer's zone.
the price is trying to climb, and we can see the support lies here in 1 hour. In 4 hour there's nothing. Yeah, this could be an area of interest in 4 hours as well, and in 1 hour as well. You can see the price here has taken above this structure. It has taken out this structure, so price might continue to push higher. In 30 minutes we can see the same thing. Here the price has found the support. In this area lies some imbalance here, which is yet to be filled. I'll mark another support area around this zone. So you can see the price is going with a structure, and it's quite like it's quite good to see this kind of structure, which can potentially ignite some interest for the buyers. You can see the price is climbing very good in RT. The price action in RT is going really good. So in 5 minutes we can see the price here has another imbalance, which could be our potential interest for a buy. Is around this area. I'm going to mark this up. So this would be our area of interest, but I'm not going to put any limit orders. I will wait for the price to come here and see if there is any. I mean, you can put a limit order as well if you want, Sanjay, but in my case I will be a bit concerned to put the limit orders. So this is the plan for RT.
Hello, I want to say I was about to put the execution or the trade in the limit order, but I didn't do that because of the price action you talked about.
Oh yeah. So I mean, it can also be valid, since the price, you can see the price is
But
forming higher.
in lower only, but it's already in the low zone right now.
Yeah, but what I'm trying to tell you, the price has been successfully making a higher high and higher lows. So in this case, putting a limit order is also valid. But
Hmm.
as long as I'm concerned for the viewers, I don't suggest my viewers or anyone to put the limit order, as long as you want to risk the trade. So in US30 we have a clear idea, as I have done the analysis. My mic was not working at that time, or it was muted. I didn't see, so I think most of the analysis, I think people missed most of the analysis that I did here. So I will break down again. The price is here around this area. It got rejected from the daily imbalance, but in 4 hours you can see there's some imbalance yet to be filled. But for short term we can look for buys, as long as the price is bullish and maintains the structure. The price, as far as now, the price has been maintaining the structure pretty good. It has been making higher high and higher lows. Even the 15 minutes candle, you can see it's a bit bullish here, around here. But since in NY open we see a lot of volatility, so in the time of volatility we have to be cautious. So I have marked a zone here, which can be the liquidity zone around this area. I'm going to write it down for you guys so that you know. um, right, so this can be the liquidity zone here. So I would like to see the price to, do some upward shift again if the price drops below this level, and only then I will decide to enter. So this is the very clear idea for US30. And any break above this zone that I have marked, any break above after the NY open, not before, after this after 5 minutes, if the price breaks above, I will plan the trade and I will share with you guys on live. Here's the imbalance for 5 minutes in the short term. This can also be potentially a buying area, interest for a buying zone. But since we know that we see volatility at the NY open, we will wait for the price to do its thing, and then we will go with the flow. With oil today, I'm not be looking for oil because I need a clear direction for oil, because the price has been consolidating in oil for like 2 days now. So I need this to be taken out. Only then I will be interested in oil. So my primary focus would be on Dow Jones today, since in the daily time frame you can see the price has not made a new low today before NY open, even in RT. So I think this indicates, according to my thesis, this indicates a kind of bullish momentum, or not a momentum I would say, but you can say there's the sell pressure is fading from the market at the moment. So we will see how it goes. 4 minutes left for the market to get open. We have our zones, our area of interest, our area for exits as well in here. I would say in 5 minutes, if you see here in this area, I will plan, if I get any long, I will plan my area of exit around this area, because we can potentially see some correction from this area. So as you can see, the price is trying to break this area that I've marked. So let's see if the candle closes above this area. If it closes above this area, then I would very likely to miss on this trade, because I will not have my stops very safe. But if the price closes above this, and if the price comes below this zone, like if we see something like this before NY open, if the price comes here, and if the price comes here as well, I would like the price to take out this level again, so that I can enter around this level. I would not place any limit orders since there is more liquidity down below. So if the price comes here, it can potentially breach this area of consolidation, and it could go lower to take the liquidity. So my trade idea would be very much interested in this zone. Also, this is a good area to buy, but I will not suggest it, because the market is yet to open. We see how the market gets open, and then we'll decide. In RT, the same thing. I have some liquidity zone assigned here in this area. This area as well. So we'll wait for the market to get open. I will not be interested too much on RT, because the potential is very limited according to me. It might breach this area and it might go higher, but according to my primary target, it's very limited. So I cannot enter around this corner in the high. So I will be much interested in Dow Jones. Right. So in 48 seconds, the market gets open, and we see what the market has for us. So price respects this level. It's good enough for us to see any liquidity grab in this zone. So here's the NY session. Now the market has opened. As I said, this could have also been a point of interest here for buys, but I'm not going to risk it. If I get another opportunity, I might enter the high. Doesn't matter. I want to see how this candle closes or what it does. It's in the higher time frame, the 4 hours still okay. I think the price is shooting up. All the new scandal, it might fill up today in just maybe in one single day. Because with US30 anything is possible. I think the price has broken the zone. So let me see how the candle closes. Because if I enter here, in this area, my stops will not be safe anyway. So I would try to enter maybe. Let me see what's going on. 15 minutes, 30 minutes as well. 1 minute. I think the price should come below. I'm very optimistic about the setup around this area, so I'll just wait. What do you think, Sanjay?
I think our SL is not fitting and it will shoot up directly now.
Well, if it decides to shoot up directly, it decides to shoot up directly. What can we do?
But we are not getting a suitable stop loss also, SL
Well, in
also.
RT we are getting the suitable stop loss. You see, in RT there is always an option. So I would probably go with RT if that's the case about the stop loss, which makes sense. But remember, RT still hasn't filled up the imbalance. Let me do it like this. This is RT, this is Dow Jones. This is Dow Jones, this is RT. So in RT, I think, yeah, I mean, you know, regarding this trade of buy, 31 seconds are left. I think I would go with this idea of entering here, because you see the potential, the volume is very good. But look, in this 3 minutes I'm not very sure about the imbalances, because price might come down to take the imbalances. But in 15 minutes it looks very good. 5 minutes as well, it's okay, but not very 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 promising. So I'm gonna put a limit order here for RT, and a limit order goes to Dow Jones as well. Maybe, let me see how it goes down. Look, the price is trying to reject from this area, probably. I mean, I'm not sure. Maybe. And also from here, this is the potential area where we can see some kind of retracement. So This trade might be a risk, but whatever it is, bro, I will see. In RT, I'm going to place a trade in my Apex. Trade by limit.
Harsh,
Yes.
the same thing.
What same thing?
Like yesterday, it's again hanging.
Bro, take a CFD account. Take some. I will give you one FTMO. Trade with that one because this is not right. If you are getting this kind of problem, then it will affect your trading psychology. Dow Jones still wants to. Let me see what happens here. Dow Jones can be also a good option, but I'll see maybe in micro. Buy in micro. I'll put my stops here in micro. Sell stop 2 in micro. Well, my RT got executed as well. Let's see what has it got. I think I will be out from this one because the candle didn't close very well. I think I should get out from this one as well. Let me see. Let me see what can I do. No, I think it's okay. In 1 minute I can say it's fine. So my potential target would be this 241. What do we have in 15 minutes? Are you able to connect, Sanjay?
No, Harsh.
Damn, bro. Well, you can write down in the journal anyway about this trade. I don't know why the price is not trying to break this level. It doesn't look good now. Let's see what's the volume.
See in the smaller time frame what has happened there.
The volume is not really good. I'm getting puzzled up with so many accounts.
You're still safe, don't worry. Now it doesn't look good.
Well, this candle, if it closes like hammer, then I think I will be out from this trade
Sure, you should.
because there's the liquidity here imbalance, which I told you the price might take the imbalance. It's been very manipulative today because the price wants to get the fair value, you know. I think I should get out from this trade. I got out from this trade, bro. It doesn't look good. I will wait for the imbalance to be taken up. It gave me freaking 1 hour though in both of them. 1 hour here and 1 hour here. So well, let's stick to what we decided. It's gonna be the liquidity grab here, I think. This area around here. Look, RT exactly what I said. I'm gonna enter if it breaks above this area. If I see a good price action break above this area, I would like to enter again. If it breaks above this area out here, it respected the resistance here on RT and on Dow Jones. See what's going on with RT. 15-minute was not a good sign on both of them. So I will enter RT on sell around this area here. If the price comes back up, I would like to have a sell trade planned already. Takes TP on the corner, sell in 3 minutes as well, 5 minutes. Price breaks below and have a trade in this Dow Jones as well, sell 5 minutes. Plan my sell on Dow Jones. If I get a chance, will I? Will I not? Shit, bro, I missed it. Missed both of them. will also watch very closely in this 1 hour imbalance here. If the price comes here, I will like to see the price action. If it's suitable, I would like to buy in this area. Is your account working, Sanjay?
No,
Seriously, bro.
give me an account tomorrow, okay? FTMO.CFD.
Alright. Look, the market looks very manipulative. This is the area of imbalances from where the price can get some orders and shoot back up. This is also the case. But
It's very conflicted too because of the impact of the news. It's
yeah,
still in the safe zone, but you cannot find a buy area actually.
yeah. Look, if this zone is maintained, I will remove the order from Dow Jones.
Mm.
1 minute, 1 second left. If this zone is maintained, only if this zone is maintained. Damn, bro, missed a good shot. Let's see what happens in 1 hour. 5 minutes left for 1 hour. I think the price should come back up this zone. But RT, I don't have any hopes. My god, bro, look at RT. I should have reversed my trade instead of closing it. You know, there's an option in futures where you can reverse the trade. Here, you get the option. If with just one click, buy will convert into sell at that very place where you close, where you do it. Is it streaming properly? Yeah.
Everything is okay.
So I think I will be interested on selling Dow when it comes above. Both we have it here. And in fact, I'm going to sell Dow Jones already in Apex.
Order filled.
In Dow Jones, I look clear vision of sale, but in RT, I don't find it because it's reversing from the support zone, the last imbalance.
I've already sold Dow Jones in my Apex. But I will wait for the top step.
Order filled.
I think I should take the 50% maybe, or maybe this area. Or potentially this area. Yeah, I think this is the right area to get execution here. Come on, bro, take it. Take the shit. Fill the order, damn, bro. Seriously. Crazy, man. I think I'm gonna sell on Apex
Order filled.
because this shit I think is gonna move down. I sold on Apex. I sold on Apex. I'm gonna make a target of
Hertz, in WTI also you can sell.
I haven't analyzed WTI yet.
Watching from some time, I thought it's a good one.
Hold on, bro. Hold on. I sold one on Chrome here in Apex. I think this one. Can you see my trade in Apex, Sanjay? Sanjay, you there?
Yes, I'm there, bro. I cannot see you. This is your Apex account.
Can you see your trade running in this one?
Yes, I can see that.
Okay, let me check if. Yeah. This one I'm going to make it keep it break even for now. I'm going to target 4 hour on this one. I missed on my top step account, so I'm going to target at least 4 hour on this one. Looks good. If it comes back up, I'm going to take on my top step as well. Today RT failed me, it really failed me. I mean, it was a good trade, isn't it? It gave like 1 hour, and then I decided to not close it because I saw that there was a imbalance here in RT as well, so I didn't do it. I mean, that's why I closed a bit early, because it makes no sense. So this is the swing low here. You can see the price here. I'm going to mark it up. This is the swing low. So price might I sold one more lots. How? What did it happen? How did it happen, bro?
Order filled.
What the fuck? Look, there was some manipulation in the broker. Did you see what happened?
Yes,
Crazy. Fuck.
but we have got it recorded, no problem.
Yeah, but bro, I wanted to hold this trade to the swing low. This is bullshit, bro. Bullshit. Fuck. It sold on its own, or maybe I did. I don't know. I don't know what happened. I was doing the markup. I was writing swing low, and this. Okay, I think I pressed the wrong button. Instead of shift, I pressed control, and it sold as soon as I pressed S. Son of a dash, bro. Seriously. My bad. I missed a good one again. So how is the 4 hour? Or I think it's good because in 4 hour you can see the price is here. Let me bring my top step account, because this I don't wanna share in the live. I wanna share this one. This should go inside here. So what exactly happened? Well, sometimes it gets so complicated with so many accounts. Like, look what happened now. I wanted to hold this trade for 4 hours and it accidentally closed. I mean, seriously. So okay, let me see it again. In Dow Jones, the price here in 4 hour, we see some demand here. So I think it's okay that I closed. Anyway, 15 minutes, 5 minutes here. I'm still optimistic on this one. What do you think, Mr. Neil?
It's a good one. You can try for that.
But if you go in the higher time frame, in the 4 hour, it got demand here. It's very clear. So I think I would rather wait for some price action. In RT, let me see from where the price. Let me just make a single screen. It's confusing the hell out of me. Look, in RT, what's going on? In RT, the price went for all this liquidity here in this imbalance zone, and from here the price, let me see, if I see some good price action, I would move to RT. So in RT, there's so many screens that, dude, I get confused. Seriously, I don't know if the stream is going right, because today I think I messed it up. Look, in 4 hour, you can see the price here is trying to reject from this support of 4 hour here, and in 1 hour, if you go, it's the same thing. You can see the price here taking the imbalance, fueling it up, but in 5 minutes we see a different story. As long as the 5 minutes close below this, I mean, we'll be still looking for sells, but if it close above, we will see if we get any opportunities for buy, because in RT I think we can get a buy. Has 2 minutes left to close on this one. The moment it breaks above this area, we can potentially look for a buy. I'll remove all these markups for now.
Get a screenshot and then remove.
Yeah, I can do the markups again. Don't worry, I have that saved. I mean, I could do that again. I know which trade I took, so I know. So we'll wait for any closure above this area so that we could just look for some reversals on RT, because in 15 minutes you see the price is getting rejected from this one very well, very well. So yeah, I think we are good to go with RT. Right now I think we have 1 minute left for the price to close above. Then we can plan our entry somewhat around this area, which will be low, I mean not that risk, because yeah, I think our stops will be safe more or less, not completely, but yeah, more or less it will be safe. So let's see how the candle closes in 37 seconds. It's conflictive because price is rejecting from this level. We will have to wait because it's still in sell. It's still in sell. Price is still in sell. The Dow Jones as well. Four-hour closed pretty good, but there was a rejection in from this area of resistance. In for 30 minutes, still okay. The price is above this zone, so we are still good. 15 and 5. ideal thing would have been to sell Dow Jones in this week, but at the same time I didn't have proper stop loss. Like the stops was not there. It was not sufficient, so I didn't sell here. Though I took it on Apex because I take more risk in that one. Hell, bro. $55, whichever comes first. If RT managed to hold above this level, good for it. Otherwise, I'm gonna sell. No. Oh, yeah. What's going on, bro? Oh, we'll wait. Probably the time that it's gonna take all your patience. All right. Okay, I've entered this trade on RT.
Order filled.
I'm gonna trail this trade in 48 ticks. It might show a sign of reversal from here, probably because this is a support zone for now, but I'm going to be optimistic on this one. I'm going to keep trailing. Gonna keep trading. Oopsies daisies. I think I will just get out on this one here. Okay, I'm out. 70 ticks on this one, and holding in the apex one.
Order filled.
All right, I'm done. Done, bro. Overall done. I wanted to hold this trade, but since I saw that the price has been in this area of support, I didn't want to risk it. I mean, 80 ticks was okay. Let me see the. Let
How
me see,
much? 2000 plus?
bro. I talk in ticks.
Okay.
So let me see if I have any orders somewhere, because you know what happened the other day. There was an order and I didn't notice, and it got triggered later when I was not there. Let me first
So
check.
400 ticks.
So let me see. Not 400 ticks. I will just give you a quick outlook for what happened. Look, I might try to enter again on this one because there's a huge imbalance in 5 minutes. The price would probably like to come for retracement around this level here for a further push low. So that's why I was very much concerned. So let me see where was my executions. If I just go there and just make a trading here, execution. All right. So yeah, I closed in the right place. So I can probably enter once again, but I think let me check what is the time. It's 4:25. So I think no, I'm fine. I think I would not enter. Maybe I will enter on my Apex, because in Apex, why not, bro? So let me see if I get another chance on Apex. Maybe I will enter here, which is valid in this area, which is valid. This zone here. So you know what happened the other time? I was trying to write swing low, okay, SWING, but I wanted to write in capital. So the moment I pressed Shift plus S, instead of pressing Shift, I pressed Control plus S. So what it did? It Control plus S, look, Shift plus S, look, okay, Shift plus S is sell market. So motherfucker, I just realized that. So I have made this mistake few times now, so I'm not gonna write swing low. I need to find some other alternative or some synonym of swing. So let me ask ChatGPT. What could be a how's it called, bro? Synonym.
Synonym.
Yeah, synonym of
Mm.
SYNYNO, synonym of swing. Sway or rock or pivot or oscillate. Mother of God, so many hard words. I don't think I would do it. So anyway, let's see what's going on. My screen is freezing today and I don't have any clue what's going on, bro.
Screen चला गया.
Yeah, I'm just, let me do one
Call
thing.
ही disconnect हो गया.
Call disconnect हो गया? No, I'm able to hear you, bro.
Audio disconnect हो गया. Sorry.
What disconnect हो गया?
I'm sorry. I'm talking about the screen.
Yeah. I have not disconnected it. I have just kept it here. Wait. Yeah. Let me just change my settings here, bro. I'm in my display settings. Arrangements.
Are you still streaming?
Yeah, bro. When I stop streaming, I'll let you know. Don't worry about that. Look, the price is the sell was okay. I should have held the price until this, but since the market has been acting really dumb, let me see if I can find any trades on Dow Jones. Dow Jones still not good, still holding up the price from here. RT gave us a clear direction here after, this was the good thing, note that I closed here, Sanjay. Look, I opened the trade and I closed at the entry point, more or less. So
Yes.
there was one BE break even, and one trade of 2 hour. So today we're on 2 hour potentially plus 2 hour. So all right, that's what it is. I should have held the trade, but you know, it's okay. It's okay. I like it today. Today the price was very good. Streaming going very well. 4 weeks. People are missing out, right, Sanjay? People are missing out the good stuff, the free stuff. I mean, who would do the trades like this on live stream? Let's see how it goes for this week and the next one. Because now, right now, I think we will have some issues with the trades, because look, now the price, if the price respects the this motherfucker, if the price respects this level here, if the price respects this level, then there will be a consolidation period that will be very crazy. I just hate consolidation like this. It's gonna be like this if the price holds this area. But if the price breaks below, that's going to be it's going to be an opportunity for us, for traders like us. So today was okay. I managed to exit the trade in the right time in RT, which I entered here. There was a false confirmation of the bull. You can see here with the price action. So much manipulation. I mean, dude, if I closed on BE or maybe 10 or 20 ticks minus, it's still such a good call. You know, look, the price, it just shooted up, showing that the market that it's going to go up, and every drop is going to be the buying opportunity. But since there was liquidity here, and maybe I don't know, maybe in some lower time frame there's some liquidity here, like some imbalances as it's there. Look, no, not really. Let me see in 1 minute. In 1 minute, the price, there is some liquidity here, right? Yeah, and in this area here. So in this situation, look, there's some liquidity here, so the price might take this, and don't know what the hell it's going to do after that. But anyway, so the call was very good, because look, in lower time frame you see there are low wicks, you know, you can see that the price is trying to say that I'm gonna go down. So it gave me twice, I mean, it gave me two times, it gave me chances for 2 times to close the trade, and I didn't. I closed in the third time, which was already, I think, 10 or 20 ticks down. So I closed somewhere around here. This was the imbalance to be taken. I closed before the imbalance. After this candle, when this candle closed, I closed around this area. So it was, I think it was probably well, let me see, it was probably how much, 20 ticks, yeah. So that's still okay. I wanted to enter the sell again in this area to be safe, to have my stop loss safe. I wanted to enter in this area. Price should have come to fill up this imbalance entirely, or at least half, which was my plan. My plan was to enter, sorry, what the hell is going on, bro? My plan was to enter at least here, so that I could just increase like 1 or 2 tick of risk here. But the price didn't come. You know, the market does its own thing. It doesn't necessarily has to follow what we want. So the price moved lower from this area, so I couldn't enter. Since I wanted to enter here as well, when I saw this candle closure here, since the price was on the imbalance zone, I was not very confident about the sell. I thought, okay, the price has closed here, it might as well shoot up, and look what happened here, this candle, this small candle. So it was very conflictive. I was not able to enter the sell here as well, because still the imbalance was yet to be filled in this area. Otherwise I would have entered much earlier and secured, like, maybe, look, the trade was potentially 4 or 5 hour, but then what happened? Then the price the price fell from this zone of imbalance. So at that time I was like, okay, now I think the price might go and take the imbalances. So the price came below this level, and where did I close, where did I sell? I just forgot, bro. Yeah, so the price came to this level again, showing some bullish momentum, which I planned on taking the buys if the price closed above this level. That way it would have taken out the structure of the bearish momentum. So I would have taken a buy here, which is what I was planning. Look, I was planning to take a buy if the candle closed above this area, but instead the candle didn't close above this area. It closed around here. The moment it closed around here, I just scroll down to see what's going on in the 1 minute time frame. In 1 minute time frame, I saw that there was a price support of the price around this area. So as soon as I saw the price broke below this area of support in 1 minute, I just put my market order, like I put my sell limit order. I didn't do the market execution, which was the case with Apex, but with this one I wanted to play safe because it's my main account. So here I placed this limit order. As you can see, maybe the price came here and took the trade. Let me see if that was the case. Yes, exactly. So I placed my limit order here. The price came very smoothly, took my order, and around here, I think, in the extreme area, yeah, around here. And then the price made some some kind of indecision candle in 1 minute. So I decided to just get out because today I missed on multiple trades. I missed on the sell here, I missed on the sell here. So this was my last call, and I just wanted to scalp a bit. So I decided to close it, since the trade potential is to the last support, which could be here in this case, which could have given me 3.56 R if it plays until here. But given the fact that I have missed on many entries, I decided to close. Back to Dow Jones, let's see what's going on in here, and then we will call it a day. In 4 hours, the Dow Jones is okay. It got rejected from this area where I marked the resistance zone with this wick. Exactly, the trade got rejected from this area. As soon as it broke this low, this structure, I wanted to enter Dow Jones mostly today, as I kept telling you and the viewers. I wanted to enter Dow Jones here. I mean, I wanted to take a trade on Dow Jones mainly, but it didn't play as well. Look, the imbalance is yet to be filled. There's a huge imbalance. You can see it has not been filled up. Price took the orders from this swing low here in this area. It just played from wick. So I kept on waiting. The price didn't come. It betrayed me. And then when it broke the structure, I was still not sure to enter here because my stops were not safe, since it was in the middle of imbalance, and we know the power of imbalance, don't we, Sanjay?
Yes.
We do. The power of imbalance can come after, even after falling $200, it will come up to the imbalance and just shoot back down. So I didn't want to get stopped out where I was planning my trade before, like in here. So I didn't enter here, and then also you can see the price has left the imbalance here that could potentially move the market to the upside. So I didn't enter here, and the moment the price came below, because I was watching in my other screen, I didn't enter either because I was taking my RT, because I was already in my RT trade, and you can see there's some sort of imbalance as well left here, so the price might, ignite the interest for buying for the buyers in here. So I didn't want to get stopped out since my stops were not safe either, and this trade would have given me 2.6 or potentially, but it was very complicated since we have been seeing the price is trying to recover from yesterday's loss. Well, I think there's another sell opportunity here in Dow Jones, but bro, there's a huge imbalance left, so
Sorry.
I'm not gonna risk it. So anyway, since the price was trying to recover, I was not very sure about taking the sells here, and it didn't come to my zone of interest. Same thing happened with RT that I explained a while ago. So that's it for today. I think I will call it a day, and let's see what happens tomorrow, because tomorrow there are some news to come. PCE, okay, price index, personal spending, MOM. I don't know if that's gonna impact a lot. Just PCE, yes. So the news tomorrow is at 2:30. So I think we will be okay to get our trades around 3:30 to 4 5, depending on what we see in the market tomorrow. So okay, then I will post the analysis again on my Discord, on our Discord server, about the
Okay.
RT, about the break even, what happened on RT, the break even on RT on the long one, and the reason I closed the trade here with 2R. I will explain everything properly, and then we look forward for tomorrow.
Fine.
And Neil, I'll give you the FTMO account. I will send you the
Okay.
credentials tonight, and you trade on that, because this paper trading at the time of volatility, I think it just acts dumb.
External. Yeah.
Yeah. So there's no point, because look, you can write in a journal that you took the trade, but that's not the same when you take it, because you are the one. If you are in the trade, you are the one to decide whether to close or whether to not, or where to close or where to not. You don't necessarily have to follow what I do, right? That's your call.
No, if I would have followed you, I would have taken all the trades after like my trade was not getting executed. But after some time it got connected, so I would have taken, but I did not follow. I did not analyze anything, so I don't want to follow it.
Yeah, I'm not saying that you have to follow, or don't have to follow me, and there's no harm if you follow me, because it's okay. If you know something, I will follow you, no problem. But I'm saying that if you would have taken this trade, then it would have been your call if you want to hold this trade to 3 hour, 5 hour, 10 hour, or you want to do break even and set risk free or close in 1 hour. So that's what my point is, that you can write in your journal that you have taken a trade on RT, but technically you cannot write the target, because my target and your target is different. Everyone's
Different.
target is always different, also the entries. But potentially, if you were here with the account, I think you could have also taken this trade, because it looks very good in the one
Mm-hmm.
in the lower time frame. Because look, I kept on missing the opportunities. I mean, not missing on purpose, but missing because of the market condition. If market is not going to come in your area, what can you do? You cannot keep selling lower without having to know your
Right.
loss. So the moment I saw that, okay, this imbalance now, I mean, it's too late to be filled now, because the market has a good potential of sell. Look, 1 2 3 4, a bit of indecision, then 5 huge candle, then a bit of indecision, then again a huge candle. So price might go and test it, but we don't know where. I just got the trade with impulse. If there was no impulse, I wouldn't have entered. If price did like this, let's say stuck here for 20 minutes and then decided to fall, I would probably not have entered, because I don't trust that, because the volume was gone by then. But I saw that the price didn't consolidate, it just followed the impulse, so I decided to enter. But anyway, I think Dow Jones, I think it got some orders from this area, and 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 if the price closes above this level, it will probably go to check this area of imbalance, you know, or maybe this a bit complicated, bro. And what you were telling about the oil trade for sell,
Yes.
that was a good call. Why? I mean, I didn't analyze today oil because look, market market fell very heavily yesterday, and I wanted to, you know, focus on one pair or maybe one type of index like RT or Dow Jones, which have similar price action more or less.
You
But
WTI. That's why I tried to, like, I was just watching. I saw a very good opportunity, so I said. But
yeah, yeah,
it's
yeah,
okay.
definitely. If you were
You can see where I was planning. It gave. It's still now in I guess 2.47 hours.
yeah, then if it's good if you are planning it, and if you are analyzing it, it's good because look today why I decided not to look at WTI because of the news from yesterday. Like look, fell like horses, bro. Look at this one, crazy. So I just wanted to be focused because this is a very crucial.
Harsh,
Yeah.
Harsh, I need to inform you that I need to pick up a call. My dad's call.
All right, don't worry. So I will just end the live stream as well. So you come online
Okay,
after maybe 2 3 hours, whenever you are free, and then we'll talk.
okay.
Okay. All right. See you. So guys, this is it. I will call it a day. Maybe we'll get to see some sort of upside movement in a while, but that's okay. I will not chase the market. I will not be chasing the movements because I think or maybe not. The market might not go upside because it broke again another low. I mean, not another low, but it broke the structure in maybe, let's say, in 5 minutes. No, in 15 minutes it did, and 30 minutes. So I don't know. The trade is very, the price is very manipulative at this point. So we'll continue tomorrow, same time, and see you guys. Have a happy. Which day is it? I don't even know, dude. Thursday. So see you.